Oh no! Oh!
Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at Gallipo Center for our very last race of the Ottawa On-Road RC racing season for 2024-2025. This is a pop-up track. It starts in the fall and ends in the spring. Trophy race is going to go in F1 with the Exotech F1 R5. It's qualified in P3 in the A main with the Exotech. And I did have to add some weight here because we're running on old rules, so the car had to be 1,050 grams today instead of 1,020, so I had to add some weights. Exploded a bearing, so I just had to replace the bearings on the wheels, and I should be good to go for the mains starting up next. Besides adding a little bit of weight, I also did move my battery rearward, additional rear traction. All right, here we go for F1 A main. Now the TQ left because we're running so late today, so I believe I will be starting in second position on the grid, even though I qualified in third. It will be a battle for the win because number 2 and number 3 me are on nearly the same pace. I've never run my ball diff this loose before, so we will see if I can handle it.
All right, Marshall, show me who you are.
Let's go, Ferrari.
Yeah.
All right, we should have more coverage at the far end if I can get it. All right, check him in.
Yeah, I hate that noise.
We had a lot of cars go by and not enough beeps.
Oh, he's gonna add me. There you go.
There we go. All right.
Inside dive.
Chris third, Gilles fourth, Fred fifth,
Red, green, red.
and Andrew in sixth. Marshall ready, less than 10.
On a technicality.
Clean start from everyone.
That's a good start. Oh no!
Watch the straight. Inside on the straight.
Tried to make room where there wasn't any.
Your leader is Stephen Prosser, followed by Chris Cleary in the orange car.
Crank up my dual rate on the fly. Oh, red.
Oh, sorry.
Watch the sweeper, outside of the sweeper.
Don't rush, don't rush.
Stephen Prosser out front, Chris, John, Jill, Andrew, and Fred. Closest battle is between Andrew and Fred right now.
Go.
No longer such a close battle.
Chris is on my ass.
Battle right now.
Okay.
First and second place on the infield. That is Stephen and Chris. Chris in the orange car, second place. That is battle for position. Steve makes a mistake. Chris goes right on through.
Oh!
Let's hope that car's not damaged too much.
I just got stomped on. Completely crushed.
F1 cars are surprisingly tough. They're some easy looking cars.
That was my chance to get up into 2 as well, and I got stomped on.
That is Chris Leary, followed by Steven Crosser. Still in second place. Jill third.
Get out of your way. Can't see past this radio at all. Leader.
Steven with another error, he's off track. It's going to allow John to catch up. John now for the third.
Thought it was up in the second.
This battle on track now seems between Jill and John's going to go up.
Am I in 2 now?
Take it right here, quick.
Trying.
Trying to gain on thread here.
Oh!
It's time, racing to the line.
Does it end at the line?
Yep.
Chris seems very happy.
Congrats, Chris. Congrats.
Over John, Stephen, Jill, Andrew, and Fred.
I got 2? I think I got 2. All right, second place. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you're not here, subscribe. You want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. That was A-Main, second place, first loser.